Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the world of finance for beginners. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss investing tips for beginners and why starting an app with like Robinhood can be the best way to kickstart your investment journey. So, if you're ready to learn how to make your money work for you, let's dive right in.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
The first tip we have for beginners is to start with an app like Robinhood. Robinhood is a user-friendly investing platform that provides a seamless experience for new investors. It offers a range of features and tools to help you get started on your investment journey. One of the biggest advantages of using Robinhood is its simplicity. The app is designed with beginners in mind, making it easy to navigate and understand. You don't need a background in finance to get started. With Robinhood, you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrencies. With just a few taps on your smartphone, it's like having a brokerage account right in your pocket. The second tip is for beginners is to start with a small investment. One of the great things about Robinhood is that you can begin investing with as little as $1. This makes it accessible for people with various budget sizes. Starting with a small investment allows you to dip your toes into the world of investing without taking on too much risk. It also gives you the opportunity to learn and gain experience as you go along. The next tip is all about doing your research. Before investing your hard earned money, it's essential to educate yourself about the basics of investing and understand the investment options available to you. Robinhood provides a wealth of educational resources within the app, such as articles, videos, and even a practice account. Take advantage of these resources to learn about different investment strategies, risk management, and how to analyze stocks. Another crucial tip for beginners is to diversify your portfolio. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and even countries. Robinhood allows you to invest in a variety of stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, making it easier to create a diversified portfolio. By diversifying, you can reduce the risk of losing all your money in one investment if one investment performs poorly. Setting clear investment goals is our next tip for beginners. What do you want to achieve through investing? Are you saving for retirement, a down payment for your house, or funding your dream vacation? By setting specific goals, you can align your investment strategy accordingly. Robinhood offers features like recurring investments, which allow you to automate your investments and stay on track with your goals. Last but not least, embrace the power of long term investing. Investing is not a get rich quick scheme, it's a journey that requires patience and discipline. Robinhood encourages long term investing by providing features like dividend reinvestments, which allows you to automatically reinvest the dividends you earn back into the same stocks or ETFs. Now, that wraps up today's video on investing tips for beginners and why starting with an app like Robinhood can be the best way to begin your investment journey. We hope you found these tips helpful and feel more confident in taking the first step towards financial freedom. Remember, investing is a personal journey and it's essential to do what works best for you. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more beginner-friendly finance content. And until next time, happy investing.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go.